Ilealayotv, Ilealayotv, Ilealayotv.
Hi guys, this is Ilealayotv. My name is Princess. You're welcome to another episode of a fun-filled program, The Celebrity Gist. Today we'll be mentioning some celebrities who joined the industry through their veteran parents. Celebrities are held in high esteem and they are well respected in the Nigerian movie industry, and this has made them not to live a private life because they are center of discussions. Over time, there has been a strong administration for acting, and this has made people to want to venture into acting. Because of the prestige and the fame involved, people want to act. And it is not a new thing for children of veterans to join in the field or to venture in the steps their father have laid of their mother. Today we are going to be mentioning some few artists who joined the industry through their parents. And the first on the list is Femi Adebayo. Femi Adebayo is a popular Nollywood actor, movie director and producer. He is popularly known as Jelili. He is the son of the veteran actor Adebayo Salami, also known as Oga Bello. Femi Adebayo has passion for acting, and through the motivation of his father, he has carved a niche for himself in the industry. Tope Adebayo. Tope Adebayo is a Nollywood actor and also a movie director who joined the industry through the mentorship of his father, Adebayo Salami. He is also a son to the veteran actor Adebayo Salami and younger brother to actor Femi Adebayo. Tope Adebayo is popularly known as Waidi in popular TV series Jennifer's Diary. Shola Kosoko. Shola Kosoko is a Nollywood actress and movie director. She is the daughter of veteran actor Jide Kosoko, who also decided to follow her father's footsteps in acting. Shola Kosoko has acted in several Yoruba Nollywood movies. Bidemi Kosoko. This beautiful Nollywood actress also chooses her father's profession. Bidemi Kosoko is also a movie producer and entrepreneur. She is a daughter to the Yoruba veteran actor Jide Kosoko and a younger sister to actress Shola Kosoko. She has featured in several Nollywood movies, both English and Yoruba genes. Mide Martins. Mide Martins is a Nollywood actress, movie producer, also an entrepreneur. She is the daughter of the late veteran actress Fumi Martins, who was a top Yoruba Nollywood star in the 90s. Fumi Martins' acting career lasted for less than 10 years as a result of her sudden death in 2002. Mide Martins decided to venture into her late mother's career as a form of remembrance, a decision she never regretted as she couldn't imagine pursuing another career. Laide Bakare. Laide Bakare is a Nigerian actress, movie producer and an entrepreneur. She is a daughter to late veteran actor Olumide Bakare, who died suffering from a disease in 2017. The actress hails from Oyo State. Laide Bakare is a talented actress who has featured in several movies. Sukomi Omobolanle. Olasukomi Omobolanle is a Nollywood actor and movie director. His father is popular Yoruba comic actor Fafiluwe with the real name Sunday Omobolanle, who was known for his hilarious movie roles around 1980 to 2005. Sukomi Omobolanle was motivated by his father, who is a veteran actor, to join the acting league. He has really proven his expertise in acting. He has featured in several Yoruba movies. Samuel Ajirebi. Samuel Olaseyinde, popularly known as Samuel Ajirebi, is a Nollywood actor. He is the son of the veteran actor Ajirebi Kayode Olaseyinde, popularly known as Pa James, in a popular TV series Papa Ajasco and Company, a Wale Adenuga production. Pa James has really set a good path to his son to follow, built a good reputation in acting for himself, such that his son Samuel Ajirebi is now benefiting from his legacy in the movie industry. Samuel Ajirebi started acting at a younger age, and he has grown to become a fast rising Nollywood star. I hope you'll be able to enjoy today's program on Celebrity Gist. Till I come your way in the next episode of this program, stay tuned to Ilealayotv Don't forget to subscribe, keep your comments coming, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. My name is Princess. Love you.
Ilealayotv, 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 Ilealayotv.